question 15. So really this is just using your calculator, so I would suggest you work out the numerator, the top bit, so go and work out what 4.6 add 3.85 is and write it down, and then divide that by whatever 3.2 squared take away 6.51 is and write that down, and then take your numerator and divide it by your denominator, and it gives you this answer. Alternatively, you could just work out the numerator in a bracket, so you would do open bracket 4.6 plus 3.85 close bracket divided by open bracket 3.2 squared minus 6.51 close bracket equals, and your calculator will give you this answer.